Hello there, Ambrose Blowfield here for the Sales Mastery Company. If you're a sales manager or a business owner running a team of 2 to 10 salespeople, then listen up. If you are struggling for consistency in terms of performance, struggling to achieve great results, struggling to sleep at night, or maybe struggling with your confidence in the confidence of your team members to achieve consistency. We're running a free masterclass on how to fix an unprofitable sales team, sharing with you our vast years of experience worldwide. We're going to teach you the 4 growth areas of sales where most sales teams only focus on 1 or 2. We'll share with you some of the common mistakes made by B2B sales teams when it comes to consistent performance, action, and mindset. And finally, we'll share with you the one be-all and end-all topic as to precisely why 90% of sales teams do not perform at the highest possible level. This free masterclass will have you walk away with clear actions to implement immediately into your sales team in that B2B environment. And we're going to share with you the secrets we've learned from coaching over 15,000 businesses worldwide over the last 18 years in over 20 different countries across 6 continents. I am passionate to move your business forward. I'm passionate to take action. So book in today for this free masterclass. It's coming soon. You don't want to miss out and have as many of your sales team attend with you. It's 45 minutes or less with interaction, and you will be sure to take action as a result. I'm Ambrose Blowfield from the Sales Mastery Company, and book in today for the masterclass on how to fix an unprofitable sales team.